Alright, so today we're working on a 90% silver Maine quarter coin ring from 2003. We're going to make this into a size 11, and I'm just going to hop right into it. Let's go. First thing we got to do is punch a hole in it. This tool is going to auto center our coin right in the middle. So when we punch a hole through it, it'll be right in the middle. That paper is a little too big. That should work better. What's your problem, Dan? Here's our nice little lighthouse center punch. My phone camera jumped. Did you guys see that? That's weird. I wonder if I can get it to jump back. Weird. Phones are weird. But yeah, if you guys have never seen me before, I'm a coin ring maker. I make coins into rings. Today we are working on a 90% silver proof Maine quarter. I've got these in all 50 states, sizes 4 to 12. If anybody wants to get one, you can tap on this gold chain at the bottom of the screen here, or tap on that shop post I just pinned there. Now that we've got our hole punch, we're going to go ahead and clean up the inside of it. For that, we're going to use our deburring tool. A little tongue-tied today, but if anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. And thanks for stopping by and watching me work. Now we've got the inside nice and smooth. I'm going to go ahead and anneal it. It's a process where we hit it with some fire. It's going to help soften up that metal, make it easier to fold and shape. And I'm just looking for the flame to turn kind of an orange color. You don't want to overheat your coin. See a change of color there? That's pretty good. I'm gonna hop over to our 1-ton arbor press. Place our coin down on there. And give it a good first fold. Very nice. And go to a 17-degree die, 17-degree cone. Nice second fold. My camera's being super weird today. There is our ring so far. Now we're gonna start stretching it out a little bit. So we're gonna have to get this to size 11, so it's gonna take quite a bit of stretching. For that, we will use the ring stretcher. Coming along very nicely. I'm going to go ahead and anneal it again. This is like blue shop paper towel. It's like Scott brand shop paper towel. It's just a little tougher than the average paper towel. I like it. And that's to prevent like metal on metal contact, so the inside details of the ring stay nice and sharp. If you just throw it right on the ring stretcher, it's gonna kind of mash them up. So that's just a little protective layer I throw on there. Yeah, no problem. If anybody else has any questions, feel free to ask. We're sitting at about a 10.5. I want to stretch it about another size and a half. I can feel it work hardening. So we're gonna anneal it one more time. Nice and shiny. just past 12, which is right where I want it. I'm gonna head over here to the 1-ton arbor press again. And the reason we're reducing it right now is it's got a bit of a cone shape to it. So we're gonna try and even up that wall, give it a better shape, and get closer to our target size. It's got a much better shape to it. My camera just keeps jumping back and forth today. Pretty weird. Now I'm just gonna cut away that inside lip right there.